Today I show you the blue miracle from Dresden, das blaue Wunder. I recorded it with a dashcam. We now turn right at the crossroads onto the road that leads through the blue wonder. Now you can see the blue miracle in the background. As you can see, it's a bridge. It's really called Loschwitzer Bridge. It was built in 1893. It is the fifth Elbe bridge in the Dresden area. Today it is a landmark of the city of Dresden. As you can see, it is a steel bridge. The designer called it a stiffened three-articulated suspension bridge. Construction work began in 1891. The grand opening took place on July 5, 1893. The name of the bridge, Blue Wonder, is made up of two parts. It was called a miracle because it is a suspension bridge that has no pillar in the river. The blue in the name comes from the coat of paint, so Blue Wonder.